We support solar. You may think it's a simple claim, and we'd be the first to agree. Not because we have too little to say, rather because we have too much. We could say we support solar because of our kids, for the love of humanity. We support a clean environment and our customers' right to precision technology that lasts. We support building a sustainable economy, and we support providing pollution-free power for mobility, for our homes, and for our offices. Okay, noble goals, we all agree. But maybe we should become more tangible. We support solar with the best products and services out there. We support solar because it's a huge, highly responsible job worth doing. One we take extremely seriously and are passionate about. And not least, we support solar to help your business grow with products engineered to secure the long-term success of your solar projects. No matter if they're big or small, or in harsh or moderate weather zones, with services for every installation phase, from planning to logistics, all the way through to training, operation, and maintenance. And that is why we support solar. Because if solar doesn't deserve our support, what does? We support solar because it is what the world really, really needs right now. It's a simple claim that says so much.
We support solar.
Schletter.